All right, guys, check it out. We have a 82-inch Q6, which we're going to be mounting here on the wall today, and we are replacing a looks like about a 65-inch TV that's currently here. We do have a new bracket. This is the full bracket, which will do up to 175 pounds, 37 to 90-inch TV. So this will work perfect for this guy. We're gonna get it pulled down off of the stand so we can get the bracket on the back and then get the old TV pulled down.
Hard thing. I'll just go over here.
Oh my gosh, the bracket's not even on the wall. Look at that.
Yeah, this one needs a...
We gotta pull down.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's why I say...
Alright guys, so we're going to be removing this bracket off the wall and then putting this bracket up on the wall, and we're going to put a wall plate over this guy for the customer, and then put a new wall plate down there at the bottom as well, and fish the new wiring down through the wall for the new TV, which should have a Connect 1 cable as well. Alright guys, we got our things measured out here, all our different specification measurements. Now we're gonna go ahead and bolt this bad boy to the wall here. The keys here, guys, when mounting a TV is to make sure it's fully into the stud with all 4 lag bolts. Seems pretty straightforward, but you'd be surprised. Level. You pick this up for about 10 bucks at Home Depot. All right. Go ahead. I need to mount this and do this one first.
Just do it, man.
Gosh. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Alright, it's mounted. Got all our wires ran down in the bottom here. Everything nice and tidy up behind the TV. Strapped up. Looking good. This is Grayson.
Hey guys, I'm Grayson.
And this is Zach. We have an 82-inch Q6 mounted up on the wall. Everything turned out beautifully. You can see we have all of our wires concealed down through the wall. And everything plugged in behind the TV. This is the mount that we used. The tilt 3790 full with the level in it. And as far as devices,
we have a Samsung Blu-ray, as well as a DirecTV Mini Genie, and a Bose sound system.
You can see there's absolutely no wires showing and everything looks beautiful. Now,
usual.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you would like to purchase this TV, give us a call or shoot us an email, or if you'd like us to mount the TV for you. If you do purchase the TV, we have a low price guarantee with free shipping. If you're in the Dallas area, free delivery if you purchase from us. And of course, we'll install it.
Oh yeah.
Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and share and comment.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends. This is Zach and Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.